Good morning. How was your weekend?
Good morning. It was great, thanks. How about yours?
Mine was good too. By the way, do you remember the names of school objects in English?
Yes, I do. We learned about that last week. Do you want to practice?
That would be helpful. Let's start with something easy. What do you call the writing tool we use in school?
That's a pen.
Correct. How about the thing we write on?
That's a notebook or a paper.
Exactly. Now, what do we use to erase mistakes?
That's an eraser.
Great. And what do we use to draw straight lines?
We use a ruler.
Perfect. Now, what do you call the bag we carry our books in?
That's a backpack.
Excellent. How about the board where the teacher writes?
That's a whiteboard or a blackboard.
Well done. Finally, what do we use to fasten papers together?
We use a stapler or paper clips.
Fantastic. You remembered all the names correctly. Thanks for practicing with me.
You're welcome. It was a good review.
Subscribe the channel to not lose the new videos and to support my channel.